Good morning. Today we are going to deal with the symptoms of pancreatic disorders. In mild pancreatitis, the patient may not aware about the either infection or inflammation of the pancreas, and there may be mild or non-specific symptoms like weakness or tiredness or losing weight without any try for the same. That means patient is getting emaciated and he may having some mild fever with a great prostration, trembling, something like that, non-specific symptoms of weakness. At the same time, on evaluating our patient with a close observation, your patient will reveal that he is having some changes in his color and consistency of stools. While inquiring, your patient will say he is only having a pale yellow colored stool with a very foul or offensive smelling of stool. And next PC may be the stools are very bulky in quantity than what he ate, and the stool is very difficult to flush from the closet because it is very greasy. So a very bulky, very oily, very offensive, very pale stools indicates the malfunction of pancreas, because as you know, the pancreatic juice is very essential to digest the fat, but unfortunately due to the pathology, the fat is not getting digested properly or absorbed properly or transport properly or utilized properly. So all these symptoms indicate our patient is having a symptom of malabsorption. That is why the patient may ignore the PC. So in mild pancreatitis, you can see the main symptoms of malabsorption. That is, there is defective digestion, defective absorption, and defective transportation of the absorbed nutrients. These are the main reason why our patient is having such non-specific, so-called non-specific symptoms. But only by a keen observation you will get all this presentation of your patients in mild pancreatitis. And at the same time, the symptoms are very different in so-called acute pancreatitis. Which are the symptoms? What may be the peculiarity? How can we evaluate the symptoms? The rest will next class. Okay, thank you for watching.